Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Aim. In today's video, we will see some of the questions of the exercise 13.1 of class 8 mathematics. Question number 1. Following are the car parking charges near railway station. 4 hours is rupees 60, for 8 hours rupees 100, for 12 hours rupees 140, for 24 hours rupees 180. Check if the parking charges are in direct proportion to parking time. So in this question, the car parking charges near railway station is given and we have to check if the parking charges are in direct proportion to parking time or not. So we will assume hours as y and money as x. As we know that k is equal to x upon y. So here K1 is equal to 60 upon 4, which is equal to 15. In K2, X is rupees 100 upon Y is 8, which is equal to 12.5. In K3, 140 upon 12, which is equal to 11.67. In K4, 180 upon 24, and this when divided becomes 7.5. So here we see that K1 is not equal to K2, K2 is not equal to K3, K3 is not equal to K4. It means that none of these K constant is equal to the other. So here we can say that the given parking charges are not in direct proportion to the parking time. So henceforth we say that the given parking charges are not in direct proportion to parking time. So hope you understand this question. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 2. A mixture of paint is prepared by mixing 1 part of red pigment with 8 parts of base in the following table. Find parts of base that needed to be added. Parts of pigment, red pigment is 1 and part of base is 8. Part of red pigment is 4 and we need to find part of base. Here part of red pigment is 7, 12, 20 and here we need to find the base. So as we know that here a part of red pigment can be assumed as x and part of base can be taken as y. x1 upon y1 is equal to x2 upon y2. So here we can take x1 upon y1 as 1 upon 8. So first one. Now we need to find the part of base where part of red pigment is 4. So 1 upon 8 is equal to 4 upon x. So x into 1 which is equal to 4 into 8. X is equal to 4 into 8, 32 upon 1 and x is 32. Number 2, 1 upon 8 is equal to 7 upon x. 1 into x is equal to 7 into 8. X is equal to 56. Number 3, 1 upon 8 is equal to 12 upon x. X into 1 equal to 12 into 8. x is equal to 96. Number 4, 1 upon 8 is equal to 20 upon x. X is equal to 20 into 8. X is equal to 20 into 8, which is equal to 160. So here in the first one, part of base required is 32. In the second one, part of base required is 56. In the third one, part of base required is 96. And in the fourth one, part of base required is 160. Hope you understand this. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. In question number 2 above, if one part of red pigment requires 75 milliliter of base, how much red pigment should we mix with 1800 milliliters of base? So we will write it down in tabular form. Part of red pigment amount of base the part of red pigment is 1 and amount of base required is 75. Now let X be the part of red pigment required for 1800 milliliters of base. So as we know that 1 upon 75 is equal to X upon 1800. 1800 is equal to into 1 is equal to 75 into X. 1800 upon 75 is equal to X. Now when this is divided, we get 24. So therefore 24 parts of red pigment are required. So this was all for today's video. In the next video, we will see further question of this exercise. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.